What is a Thermomix? No, really, what's a Thermomix? Thermomix explained in 7 minutes. Let's do it! A Thermomix is an all-in-one kitchen appliance. It replaces most items in your kitchen. You can keep the oven. How is it possible? A Thermomix combines more than 30 functions and counting. So if you're making, let's say, a soup or a puree, you're using the same tool to chop the onions, sauté, cook, and then blend it to a perfect consistency. Thermomix will even run a pre-clean mode when you're done. So, you guessed it, no mess in your kitchen, all done in the same device. More than 30 functions? Yeah, it's crazy. See? Cook, sauté, chop, mince, crush, grate, mill, knead, whisk, whip, thicken, emulsify, steam, mix, blend, stir. It has modes for sous vide, fermentation, slow cooking, caramelizing, egg boiling, multi-level cooking. It has a scale to weigh the ingredients as you're adding them to the bowl, so no prepping needed. It has functions like kettle, warm-up, pre-wash, peeler, cutter, slicer, and even a sensor that tells you when your meat, fish, cake, or bread is done. You can use it traditionally as a pot on your stove, or you can let the inner robot take over and stir for you. You can even check how your recipe is doing remotely from your phone. Yes. What? I'm cooking. What can you make with it? Almost anything. Meat, chicken, fish, rice, pasta, soup, veggies, eggs, sauces, bread dough, pizza dough, cakes, desserts, shakes, cocktails, ice cream, baby food. It has a recipe platform called Cookie-Doo with more than 100,000 recipes in 21 languages. The recipe you choose comes up on the screen. You hit play and you just need to add the ingredient needed. See? Add an ingredient, check. Add an ingredient, check. And yes, the scale is letting you know how much you need. Then the function that's needed will come up, in this case it's chopping, and voila! Amazing, right? Next, it will cook without you. Go and do something else with your time. Still cooking. Then it will blend, and here's your soup. When you make cakes, bread, pizza, and some other recipes, you will start the batter or the dough in the Thermomix, and then the screen will give you the options to finish it up in the oven, while it continues making your marinara sauce, for example. You can search for recipes on your app by recipe name, categories, or ingredients. You can plan your week, save favorite folders, even create and save your own recipes. And now, I want to hear a wow! It creates your grocery shopping list by aisles in the supermarket that you can take with you and check off as you go shopping, or it can order the ingredients for you. You get a list of supermarkets in your area, and with a click of a button, your grocery list is loaded in their shopping cart, ready for you to check out and receive the delivery. Wow! Right? If you don't want to follow a recipe, great! Use Thermomix manually and make anything you'd like chefs all over the world do. First time hearing about Thermomix? Well, Thermomix is a German product. It was invented in 1971. Very soon, it got really popular in France, Italy, Spain. It was all over Europe by the 90s. Then it went to Australia and parts of Asia in the 2000s. And now it's in the US. What's the current model? Let me tell you. Every Thermomix lasts for years, and each one releases a big leap. The TM5 brought guided cooking. The TM6 added Wi-Fi updates. And now the TM7 is smarter, quieter, and future-ready with a big intuitive display. In the US, Thermomix has great fans like Whoopi Goldberg and has been featured in numerous magazines like Vogue, Women's Health, and many more. More advantages. Save time. It cooks without you. Make a risotto without having to be there stirring for 20 minutes. Or cook vertically, so you get the soup, the rice, the protein, and the veggies all in one shot. Have the Thermomix make a hollandaise sauce while you work on the fish. Stay healthy. You can cook everything from scratch. Imagine making your own sauces, condiments, jam, peanut butter, protein bars, vegetable stock, yogurt, all from scratch. No preservatives. Look, this is my shopping cart before and after Thermomix. Way cheaper and so much healthier. Save space. It's stylish, small and clean. Declutter your kitchen. Wi-Fi updates. Like a smartphone, a Thermomix updates itself, adding more and more features during the years. My dishwasher doesn't improve once I buy it, but my Thermomix does. Guidance. Thermomix is sold through consultants. These are passionate users that fell in love with their Thermomix, like me, and love to share their passion with the world. We don't want you to buy a machine off a shelf and never use it. We want to ensure you are in love as well. So we give you a demo before or after purchase, and we hold your hand through your journey. Okay, as much or as little as you want. It's very easy to use, but we want to make sure you take advantage of all the features Thermomix offers. When buying a Thermomix, always use a consultant's purchase link. It includes free shipping, and like I said, they'll become your ongoing advisor. So you can cook? Before you say, that's not for me, I already cook, you know who else cooks? Chefs. And they are using Thermomix, like I said, all over the world. Thermomix is their sous-chef. On top of being the most accurate helper, it doesn't ask for a raise and it never calls out. In your case, you could be making the meat and the Thermomix will make the sauce, the dessert, or the bread. Let me review some more features. Cooking for a big family or a small family, the recipes can be scaled to bigger or smaller quantities. And yes, you can make huge recipes. I have hosted many parties with my Thermomix. Wanna use it as a tool? Add almonds and get almond flour, for example. Expand your horizons. People who cook usually have an ABC list of menus and repeat them over and over. With Thermomix, you can be in India today, Korea tomorrow, and Italy by Wednesday. Always with amazing restaurant quality results. You don't cook? Well, that's not a brainer. I didn't either. Have you been listening? The price. The price for all these appliances into just one, $1,699 plus tax. You think you cannot afford it? Yes, you can. 1. Can you buy 1 cup of coffee daily for a year? Well, that's what a Thermomix will cost you. And then you will own this German miracle for many, many years to come. 2. Thermomix offers financing options in the checkout page. 3. Remember that eating out or ordering from those pre-made meal programs is way more expensive. If that's what you're doing, then for you, Thermomix is a savings device, not an expense. And 4, you can earn it with your time, sharing Thermomix with the world. Ask me here or your consultant for more information on this. Overwhelming? Yes! Well, you only had 7 minutes, right? If you want to hear more about it or see it in a free demo, contact me right here again. Or if your consultant sent you this video, call them right now. Thank you so much.